What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the kitchen. Today I have a grilled London broil steak sandwich. That's right, here's the list of ingredients. Super simple, not a whole lot you're gonna have to worry about. I'm telling you, as you can see right here, we got some veggies here that we're gonna throw on the side for grilling. You can put whatever you want, but these are super simple, super delicious. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go! Alrighty, y'all. First things first, grab your Vidalia onion. You're going to go ahead and get your knife and start chopping these up. We're going to chop them up the long ways because we are going to saute these. And when I do this, I like them long. Alright, same thing with your peppers. By the way, guys, did you know what's the difference between these? Nope, not the color. That's right. This one's got 3 bones. This one's got 4. Why is that? Simple. This one's a female. This one's a male. Did you know that? Did you know peppers have male and female? Well, now you do. Alright, go ahead, get you a knife. Start slicing this up. Go ahead and just chop it. You want thick chunks because we're going to be putting these peppers on the grill to get some gorgeous char marks. Nothing beats a grilled pepper on a steak sandwich. All right, next, yep, that's right. Going to go ahead and clean off your radishes. Get them chopped up here. We just want to get the greens and the stems off. And then we're going to put these on the grill as well. So, yeah, buddy. Get you some okra. Who likes okra? I love some okra. I like it fried, I like it grilled. Can't go wrong. Get you your corn on the cobs. Add them to the bowl. Go ahead and take your onions. Add them to the bowl. Why are we doing this? Because you're going to come in and hit it with a tablespoon of oil. And you're going to follow that oil up with some seasoning salt. That's right. Add you in some salt. Follow that up with some Johnny's Tennessee Pride. That's right. This is my dish right here. Get your bare hands. Get in there. And rub down your vegetables, mix it all in, get them seasons incorporated. Because what are you doing? You're going to be grilling everything but the onions. So go ahead, grill these for 5 to 7 minutes. Take your onions and add them to a pan, as you can see right here. Just get them on there, shake them around, get them all in the pan, and then just let these cook up, guys. We are going to be caramelizing these onions. All right, look at that. Who doesn't like a good fresh French baguette? That's right, get you a good knife, cut it down the center, and then you're gonna butterfly this so you can slice it open because we are making one whole sandwich. That's right, one baguette is gonna make 2 good-sized sandwiches. All right, guys, melt you down a tablespoon or 2 of butter. Go ahead and add that to your bread. Why? Because we just want to have a buttery flavor to it. We're going to be putting these onto the grill, and we do not want them to burn. So get this out there, grill it until it's crispy. All right, listen to these onions, guys. Listen to them onions. Nothing beats sizzling vegetables. That's right. Keep the sizzle going. Just keep an eye on your onions. Now you're going to go ahead and get your can of Campbell's beef consume. I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it, but that's what I call it. It's basically just beef broth and some seasoning and some flavoring. You could make your own. I just went ahead and got it from the can. Go ahead, add it to a pot and add 1 can of water. That's right. Mix it and put it on the stove. That's right. Don't forget your onions. Don't want to burn them. Listen to that sizzle. Now, don't forget you got stuff on the grill as well, guys. Listen to this. Listen to this sizzle. Just love it. Go ahead. Get your vegetables turned over. You're looking for those beautiful grill marks. Don't let them burn. All right. Remember that roast beef you seen at the beginning? Go ahead, add it to a bowl. Take up and slide up all of that seasoning. That's right. You're going to take this and grill this for only 1 minute to 2 minutes the max. Just want to get some char marks on them. Take these onions. They're ready to go. Now that the onions are done, your beef broth should be coming up to temperature. That's right. This is going to be a dipping sauce. You can also add it to your bread. Why? Watch this right here. We're going to start making the sandwich. Go ahead, get you some good ground mustard. You could use mayonnaise. I want mayonnaise, but unfortunately, I didn't have any. That's right. Forgot the mayonnaise. Most important thing. I would have been putting mayonnaise on here. But, by the way, the stone ground mustard actually intensified the flavor, and it really brought the dish together. So I would recommend the ground mustard. That's right. Now we're going to go ahead and add on your meat. As you can see, the char marks on there. That's right. 1 minute to 2 minutes. 2 minutes is too much. Literally. 60 seconds is all you need to get a good grill mark because this is very thin and it's already just ready to go, guys. So get the grill marks. Look at them peppers. Add the peppers to your sandwich. Add the onions. Oh my God. By the way, the smell is amazing. Just get your onions topped up there. It doesn't have to be perfect. Doesn't have to look perfect. This is going to be a sandwich you're going to eat. Remember, guys, cooking is about having fun and enjoying the food afterwards. That's the best part. That's right. Add on your extra meat and look at this Havarti cheese. This Havarti cheese is so good. It melts, got an easy melt point, got a very mild cheese flavor. It's just going to be delicious. Go ahead, grab your beef consume and go ahead and just pour it in there. I don't even know if that's what you call that stuff. I'm just going to call it beef broth. Add your beef broth to your bread. And don't forget to add it to your meat and cheese. That's right. This is just going to leak down into the meat and the cheese. And it's going to just baste it and just be delicious. And you're going to save this. Don't get rid of it, by the way, because you're going to add it to a bowl and use it as a dipping sauce for your sandwich later. That's right. That's what makes it so good. Go ahead, get these. Throw them on the grill until the cheese melts. Take a look at this. Oh my God. Pair it with a salad and some grilled vegetables. Got that dipping sauce right there. Give me my food one of these days. I'm telling you. Thank you guys for watching Cooking Time with Johnny, the home of simple, fun, delicious recipes with that country twist. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. We'll see you in the kitchen next time.